In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from starting automatically when you turn on your Windows computer. If Teams keeps popping up every time you boot your PC and you want a faster, cleaner startup, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's start inside Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams app and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, look at the top right corner and click the three-dot beside on your profile picture. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, stay on the General tab. Here, look for the option that says Auto Start Application or Open Application in the background. Simply uncheck these options to prevent Microsoft Teams from launching automatically when Windows starts. Now let's also check Windows settings to make sure Teams is fully disabled from startup. Close Teams, then right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details at the bottom. Next, click on the Startup tab. This section shows all the apps that start automatically with Windows. Look for Microsoft Teams in the list. Click on it, then click the Disable button in the bottom right corner. Once that's done, Microsoft Teams will no longer start automatically when you turn on your computer. You can still open it anytime by launching the app manually when you need it, and that's it. Disabling Teams from startup helps speed up your boot time and keeps your desktop clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.